What's up, folks? Chinese Morning Update, March 29th. Coming up end of the month here pretty soon. Next couple days, end of month, end of quarter. So we'll watch that 200 down here at 39.43, and it has been defended. We'll look at that in a second on the other chart. 40.40 is a huge level, 39.40 area, and it's held on the overnight, so we'll see if that holds. If we get above that, then we can start to shoot for 55 and then 70, 73. We get above that, and we'll probably look at the 4100. Over under another huge level here. This '06 to basically 10, 13. This level's had a lot of opening and closings, so I would really watch, in here. We get back below that, we'll test that 70 level again. The 100 days at 30.80, which coincides basically with yesterday's low, which is interesting. So here's the 50 day at 30. And then you got your 100 day at 80, and then you've got your 200 day at 43. So it's kind of interesting that we're really kind of staying within these moving averages. Again, over under 70 is for more of a macro. Above that, we're still in bullish stature, and below that, we're not. Hourly, interesting. These pivots are pretty tight today. 403, 40, 26. I really like that. That 25 level is still big. 40, 46, 69, 83, 60, and 40. So these pivots look great today as well. Here's your daily. Again, I've got the 200, 3800 as we've kind of gone back and forth, and we're just kind of in this area right now, basically trading sideways still. This trend line is held for the most part. You can tell yesterday the 100-day was parked right there at 80, and then we finished still red, but up. That was a nice ramp up at the end, and then we're higher today. So I don't know. We're just kind of, in my mind, it's we haven't really seen one direction pick. We're just kind of in a sideways motion, so it's still kind of choppy on the macro. Euro still holding that trend line. So this is, until this reverses, it's still going, up. Again, that 105 level. So basically 110 to 105. So this is kind of range bound as well. We need to see a loss of that 105. You can see it ticked right here a couple weeks ago. But it's held strong, which is surprising. We do have cycles hitting late next week into the week of the 10th, which I would expect this to change and maybe market structure change as well. But right now we're kind of range bound. We haven't seen any crazy trend day. It's been mostly chop. So a lot of these trades have worked well, even though they've gone against us just because we just really haven't gone anywhere. Here's your SPX. No real cash gap threat on any of these. The same thing still in between these two, so trend line still intact. So I don't know. Today we've got pending home sales at 10, and Barr testifies again in the Senate on banks. We'll see that. And then Thursday and Friday, I think we've got Friday's probably going to be more of a doozy on a closing basis. Again, that's going to be quarter end, month end, quarter end. So this is probably going to be a decent day for fuckery, I guess. Anyway, I'll be in the room all day, and if you see profit, take it. Don't stick around. This choppy mess.